guys, it's Camden. And this is my first video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. This is my brother. Today we're going to do the volcanic eruption kit. So first, we do the red thing. I don't know.
I'll get the other one.
It's kind of pinkish.
I don't think you would know how to get this cap off.
Hope you guys are a big fan of Fortnite.
I play it a lot.
He got like 5 wins on solo.
No, 1 win. Solo, squad wins, 7 squad wins.
So, Mom, do I put this in first?
3 scoops of that.
Uh-oh.
2, 3. And we're gonna add some of this pink dye, reddish pinkish,
And some of the white.
Hmm.
Oh, by the way, this is the Volcanic Eruption kit we're using.
Make sure you wear safety glasses, or if you wear normal glasses, that's okay. Hey, Preston.
I'm just doing this, filling it up, and now you can pour it in.
Is it at 5
Yes.
millimeters?
Yes.
Okay.
Milliliters. Oh! 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 It's erupting! It's erupting!
So, you guys, this might be like 5 minutes. Let's add more of that and that.
No. But that looks cool. It's using on both sides, which is very cool.
It's using on each side. That's cool. I think it's supposed to ooze on this side and that side
yeah,
too.
it is, but we didn't add enough.
Waddle.
No,
And
we
more
had
waddle.
enough water.
Waddle.
We might even had enough, more than enough water.
Wait, there's still some more salt in here.
Hey!
There was more salt.
Or not.
Oops. I added more water. I added more water.
We wanted to keep on
More.
going. No!
I wanted to keep on going.
He's adding 5 more milliliters. This is insane. This is a madness. I told you not to.
Now it's a real volcano.
It's erupting. It's literally falling from this side, on this side, off the trail on this side. Cam!
More until it's all gone.
Stop. You're going to make it erupt too much.
Nothing can be too much. Oh, it looks like fruit punch. More water, please.
I will get it. I got it.
Oh wait, we gotta add some more of this. Ew, it looks like blood wet. Guys, I'm so sorry, but we're going over the limit.
I got the water.
I'm sorry for the cradles that made this.
Cam! The water's... Just add water and that's all. No more any of... Oh! I told you not to do any more! You can do as much water as you want. Just don't use any of the chemicals.
Whoa, it looks so red.
Now do it! Give on! No! Not with that! That's... Oh my... You're just making the fire even worse.
Fire.
Lava. Oh no. This goes wrong. This is gonna go wrong, isn't it? Oh my gosh, the lava's all the way over here. safe. Nothing's safe.
Ooh,
I guess could I touch this?
I got some blood in my life. Whoa. I need more bottle.
I am getting it.
So guys, I'm gonna add this to some water. A lot of water.
No, don't add it. Don't put it
Yes.
in here. Don't put it in there. No.
Well, it's Kool-Aid. And then put it in here. Kool-Aid style.
Do it again. Do it again. Make it erupt. Quick. It's full and it has enough dye in it. Enough lava. You didn't pick any up, just saying. Don't think you were supposed to mix those two chemicals. Oh my. There's none left. Oh wait, there is. Did you use
Sorry, Kratos.
You just wasted it on one. Is this video still recording?
Yes, still record.
It is. Wait.
What? Guys, we're trying to get this up. We're trying. More water, please. He's my water assistant. Guys, it's fizzing. So, guys, we're going to clean up this mess, and we're going to test if baking soda and vinegar is better than the kit came with. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back. Today, now we're trying baking soda and vinegar. This looks like water, but it's vinegar. And we added some red food dye. So we're going to try this first. Two. Baking soda gone. And then we're gonna add some of this. Of vinegar. Oh wait, I gotta stir this up first. That it's not all chunky. And that. And adding some vinegar to the syringe and putting it in. Mom, we need more food dye. Oh, guys. Can you get some more vinegar? Sorry guys, I overflowed it with baking soda. So, after this kit, you need to wash your hands with hot water and soap. Good soap. All soap is good. More. I need more. Guys, this feels like wet sand. Yeah, wet sand. Guys, I think we created wet sand volcano. Wet sand volcano. It's what wet sand volcano. I think I need to get a couple scoops of baking soda out. There. It's just going to lay that. Guys, here's the full look of it. It's not really. Oh, this is red blue dye. Don't worry, it's not blood. I need more vinegar up to here. Up to the last line, please. Thank you, Mom. Guys, we're back, and I have more vinegar. As you can see, I'm going to have some strawberry soda. No, I'm kidding. So, this is the vinegar. Guys, it's fizzing. It's fizzing. It's fizzing. 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 I'm going to get some water. I'll be right back. Guys, we're back. We're adding some water. It's just making blood. Get some of this and some of this. Guys, this is looking like cherry soda. Is that a thing? Maybe. I liked the vinegar and soda. I think you guys should definitely give this kit a thumbs up. Bye, guys. I definitely give this video a thumbs up, a like, and a subscribe. And don't forget to ding the bell.